January seems a long day off. What's your take on it?
As you are aware, what transpired in court this morning was that the prosecution served on us their counter affidavit and written address in opposition to our application for bail. And even though we were served this morning, we took steps to immediately file a further affidavit and a reply on point of law. And the prosecution on their own part, rather than proceed with the matter, knowing fully well that they do not have any right of reply, insisted that they needed time and they needed an adjournment for them to respond to what we had filed. But taking into consideration the nature of the application, which is an application which is strictly a discretionary one, based on what we had already earlier filed before the court, we do our further affidavit and proceeded to take the application. And the court, in its wisdom, further adjourned to the 7th of January for ruling on the bail application. And whether that is a long term, well, you heard what the court said. The court is quite busy at this time. It has a lot of pending rulings in respect of similar matters filed by the EFCC, and that explains why he's giving us till the 7th of January to take for the ruling. By God's grace, we'll be here on that 7th, and we are hopeful that based on what we have presented before the court, that the court in its wisdom will exercise its discretion in favor of granting bail to the defendant.
Thank you so much. Thank you.